Hello Adam, I'm Nizar from London Dodge dealership. I'm gonna now do the video walk around of the 2017 Ram 1500 chrome with chrome bumper. This truck here has V8, has Hemi engine, 5.7 liters and V8 with insulated battery and hydraulic hood. Crew cab, so big back doors, power windows and power locks, a full bench seat. It's brand new. You're gonna be the first owner. And here you have this box here. You have here towing package, okay, with hitch. It's 4x4, and those are the keys here. If you have any other question about this truck, please let me know. I'm here to help you. My name again is Nizar, and feel free to call me at 780-862-3678. Have a wonderful day, and bye bye.